TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in St. Petersburg, Florida, 2 p.m. Eastern Time. 2 hours left to go in the trading week, and we have some negative market action to wrap up the trading day. Dow Jones down negative 249 points, trading at 25,259. S&P is currently negative by 22 points, trading at 28.31, and the NASDAQ negative by 58 points, trading at 78.33. We have some currency action going on with Turkey over there, doing some serious damage to the Turkish lira today. We have the gold contract reacting along with oil. Let's get right into it. We'll start things off with the Dow 30, currently basically at session lows as we speak. Quite a little acceleration. We have the Dow down 250 now, and just since about 11:30, we've traded from 25,362 now down to 25,256, more than 100 Dow points from that level in about the last couple hours. S&P 500 as of about noon, just before that, trading at 28.42, trading all the way down to 28.30. NASDAQ 100, quite a slide as well, since about 12:45 p.m. Eastern Time, trading at 74.40, almost down to 7,400, now at 74.08. You get the gold contract with action in both directions for most of the overnight session into this morning, trading higher up to about 12.24. About 11 a.m. it turns south, now at 12.19. Crude oil getting a bid as well, all the way from about 66.15 early overnight up to 67.58 currently. And Bitcoin with some slight volatility in both directions, up to 6,500 and back down to 64.60 currently in Bitcoin. So in terms of the driving story out there today, and you see the headline in red popping up, 250 points says financial crisis in Turkey spooks global markets. And you have that Turkish lira plunging 15% versus the U.S. dollar. You have the ECB coming out and saying that European banks possibly face some effects from the Turkish lira collapse. And then you also have President Trump tweeting out additional tariffs of steel and aluminum, kind of piling on to the problems of that. And to see how that stock currency is reacting, there is your Turkish lira. And talk about a rough day. Started the day at about 560, 540 yesterday, spiked almost all the way to 7, which would be 7 lira for 1 U.S. dollar, back down to 640. Not that long ago, just in April, you were at 4 to 1. Quite a depreciation of their currency. Stay tuned. Dave White live right now, and Tom O'Brien at 3. Have a great Friday, everybody.